Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve some problems based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most scoring portion also, as it requires only your basic numerical and mathematical skills, so people are used to get enough score to increase their total marks. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. If an exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral be 50 degree, then we need to find the interior opposite angle. Okay. So a cyclic quadrilateral, that means an exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. So we need to draw a circle, and inside the circle we have a quadrilateral. Okay, suppose the name of the quadrilateral is ABCD. And the exterior angle is 50 degree. So now we need to find the interior opposite angle, that means angle ABC. Suppose angle ABC is theta degree. Okay. Now by the question, angle CDE is equals to 50 degree. Therefore angle ADC is equals to 180 degree minus 50 degree. That means 130 degree. Now as this is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore angle ABC plus angle ADC is equals to 180 degree. Now we already know the value of angle ADC, which is 130 degree. Therefore the value of angle ABC is 50 degree. So theta is equals to 50 degree. So option C is the right answer. Now let's check the next problem. A shopkeeper gains 56 rupees on a toy after allowing 23% discount on its marked price. If his gain is 10%, we need to find the marked price. Suppose the marked price is X rupees. Okay. And the shopkeeper gives 23% discount. Shopkeeper gives 23% discount. Therefore selling price is X minus X into 23 divided by 100. That means 77X divided by 100. Now we already know that gain is equals to selling price minus cost price. Now by the question, the gain is of rupees 56. Okay, and the selling price is 77x divided by 100, and the cost price is, we don't know the cost price yet, but we know the gain percentage. Gain percentage is 10%. Now gain is on the cost price, therefore cost price into 10% is equals to 56 rupees. So cost price is 560 rupees. So we have 56 plus 560 is equals to 77x divided by 100. So this results in 616 into 100 divided by 77 is equals to x. Okay, and this reduces to 8. So 800 is our mark price. Option B is the right answer. So we have solved 2 questions successfully, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in this 2 number 9836793076 and 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.startofsesclasses.com. Thank you very much.